Welcome, in front of me is an OUKITEL OT11, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and on the side where you have toggles, you will find the hotspot toggle on one of the pages. Now if you don't see it on the first one, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. Now for me, that toggle is located on the second page. Once you see it, you want to hold it the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings. And here, you will most likely want to select the hotspot password, and by default this password will be randomly generated, so I do recommend just getting rid of it and setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, doesn't really matter. Now scrolling a little bit further down, we have a couple additional options like turn off hotspot automatically, which I do recommend keeping enabled, as this will ensure that once you're done using your hotspot but you just forgot to turn it off, the device will turn it off for you after like 10 minutes of inactivity, and this will preserve your battery life. Now you can go over other options as well in here, customize them to fit your needs, but if you don't know what they do, I would recommend keeping them as they are set by default, as this will ensure that your hotspot works with the widest array of devices. Next, you can close this, find the toggle once more, and simply tap on it. This will turn on your hotspot. Now one thing to keep in mind is when enabling your hotspot, it uses the same antennas as it does for Wi-Fi, so your Wi-Fi automatically becomes disabled. And just to kind of showcase this, assuming you're done using your hotspot, you can obviously tap on it again to turn it off, and I'll also turn it off right now, and you can see that in a second it should, there we go, connect to network, or re-enable it basically. So there we go. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.